Sanchez. Uy.
Naka-video na.
I am Jana Anica Sanchez. Uy. I live at 23 Hoover Street, Valley View Royal Subdivision, Cainta, Rizal. I am 2 months old. So pretty, so beautiful. Gusto niya siya.
Sige kami.
Ha? Oh. Okay, you speak. I am Jana Anica Sanchez. Uy. My dad is Alfred Uy. And my mom is Joan Sanchez Uy. I live at 23 Hoover Street, Valley View Royal Subdivision, Cainta, Rizal. I am so cute, so pretty, so beautiful, and very good girl. Oo daw. Lakas-lakas na mga sumagot nito. Mami, gutom na naman dito. Gising na. Opo. You are. Oh, we will go to America and have a vacation with Lola Ivy and Lolo Bill. We will stay at Presidential. Ano ba tawag doon? Ang ganda-ganda nun eh. Presidential Unit. Presidential Unit at Opo. Oh, you begin to save now. You begin to save.